Baikhora ISCKOON Jagannath Jiu Mutainokni Purbojino Tiikok Hamia Chaya Samanino Hamia Chaya Sanaino Karak Mazaran Bagai Kokthumni Buskango Safaika Lai Thangja Kisuk Shal Romoi Social Media ni Bishingte Kritimoy Aslong Mungwi Borok Khoroksa Hayakaba Shikla Khoroksa Bini Facebook IDT Khlainai Baikhora ISCKOON Jagannath Jiu Mondir Hayakaba Mutainokni Proboji Koroneshwar Madhav Dasno Tiyui Juda Juda Kok Hamia Chaya Shawi Tongmani Arni Bishingo Social Media ni Bishingtei ISCKOON ni Tripura Hastini Okra Purohit Prema Dotto Dasno Tibo Kok Hamia Chaya Shimani Bo Okok Hamia Chaya Shamani no Tiyei Tini Kokthum Panda Klaye Shawi Khanarikha Purohit Okra Prema Dotto Das Swrangchati Bo Baikhora ISCKOON Jagannath Jiu Mutainogo Asogoi Shawi Khanarikha Bono Chaya Sajogui Kritimoy Aslong O Samung Khlaika Aboni Bagai Bo Belaikino Bukha Khlaijakkha Bote Bashaka Baikhora ISCKOON Jagannath Jiu Mutainokni Prabhu Koroneshwar Madhav Das Bo Angkha Khoroksa Kubui Bai Tuidului Tongnai Tei Bo Mutainokni Mutaino Seba Jotno Khlai Tongo Lai Thangja Kisesuk Bishi Shikango Baikhora Thana Gana Amchayo Jagannath Mutainok Belaikino Hamia Chaya Halogo Tongmani Ajorawa Mutainokni Barja Teinai Samung Khlaijakkha Koroneshwar Madhav Das Tei Jagannath Jiu Mutainokni Bagai Katal Mutainok Snamnani Bagibo Yapri Romani Prabhu Koroneshwar Madhav Das Bini Luaji Mungbaino Baikhora ISCKOON Jagannath Mutainok Katal Khlaye Sunam Jagai Tongo Fiaba Social Media ni Bishingti Hamia Chaya Obahaike Kok Shawi Tongmani Piri Tongmani Post Khlai Tongmani Abo Belaikino Chaya Haini Bagai Jagannath Welfare Committee ni Bakhaktei Baikhora Thanawa Kaisa Mamla Khlaijakkha Tabuk Naithayangkha Aborogno Romite Manno Police Hayakaba Buskang Shalotamo Yapri Romno Police
Rectification is like this, no? Public notice. Hare Krishna. I Premadatta Das beg forgiveness for my mistake for have written in two local newspapers of Tripura State false information, and now I like to rectify it here. 1. Baikhora Temple is connected with ISCKOON since many years, minimum 7 years. No, before I said no, it is connected. Second, the mission of ISCKOON and Baikhora is the same. Spread the name of God Krishna to all living entities called also Jivatma. Third, the activities inside of Baikhora Temple are in perfect harmony with the seven purposes of ISCKOON given by the founder Acharya His Holiness Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. 5. The management of Baikhora Temple is nicely conducted by His Grace Karuneshwara Das Prabhu. But cordially, Premadatta Das in service of Guru and Gauranga. Okay, this is the... Yes, it's already told in the...
And Baikhora ISCKOON temple is authorized by you. It's not a fake agency or fake temple, no?
Yes, it is correct. Already, I think now in my ratification, everything it is...
They want to know why you doing this kind of sensitive mistake.
Due to false information that I have received from one devotee. It is what is
Kirtima Aslan.
Yes, but this Kirti is I think it was operated and regularly in this temple, but after I come to know it is absent from the last 5 years. So it is done this. It is giving this false information for probably disturb this temple.
So you are ready to go for legal action for Kirtima?
Yes, not me, but the temple.
Could you say your name, please?
My name?
Yes, please.
My name is Premadatta Das, given by His Holiness Bhakti Swarupa Damodara Swami, more than 30 years ago.
So today you come here to support Ganeshwar Madhav Das.
Yes, I coming for beg excuse for my mistake, first of all, and second for make nice rectification for all the media.
Mr. Das have no fault.
Hmm?
Mr. Das